Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Evernote notes on Android, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Evernote app on your Android device. Sign in to your Evernote account if prompted. Navigate to the main screen where all your notes are displayed. Select the note you want to back up. Tap on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the note. From the drop-down menu, choose the Share option. Select Export Note from the Sharing menu. Choose your preferred format for exporting, such as PDF or text format. If you choose PDF, the note will be automatically converted. Next, select where you want to save the exported file. You can save it to your device, Google Drive, or send it via email. If saving to your device, choose the location and tap Save. To back up multiple notes, return to the main screen. Long press on the first note you want to select. Continue tapping on additional notes to include them in the backup. Once selected, tap on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner again. Choose Share, then select Export Notes. Follow the same steps to choose your export format. Decide where to save or send the exported notes. For additional security, consider backing up your entire Evernote account. Access your Evernote account on a web browser. Go to the Account Settings section. Look for the option to export or download all your notes. Follow the prompts to create a complete backup. Store this backup in a secure location, like an external hard drive or cloud service. Regularly repeat this process to ensure your notes are always backed up. Now you're ready to securely back up your Evernote notes on Android. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.